Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to look into Shopify affiliate program. This is a website which helps people to start an e-commerce website. This is their homepage, okay? So this is one of the biggest websites in the world to create an e-commerce site. They have a huge platform for this with many features. They can help you start your business. They can help you sell things with your business. They can help you market your business, and they can help you manage everything all in one place in one platform. Okay, to know more about this affiliate program, make sure you watch this video till the end. Before we jump into this video, I just want to welcome you to our Yarn internship program. This is a free internship program where we help to evolve self-sustainable skills to the youth through online platforms. And our aim is to help 1 lakh students achieve this by 2025. This is a silver jubilee year of IPSR. Once you join this program, here you will get project guidance from our experienced digital marketing team. You just have to scroll down to the bottom and just fill in the form below to apply for this internship. You can check out the first link in the description to know more about this program. Now, I'll tell you how you can join this affiliate program. You just have to scroll down the website and click on affiliate program. Once you are signed up, they have a free Shopify affiliate course that you can use to learn more about this program and learn about how to make more money. Here, under commissions, you can see that you can earn around $58 for each user who signs up for a paid plan with your unique referral link. They offer support via phone, email, or live chat, which is a lot more than most affiliate programs offer. And they also have a lot of content, guys, so you can save a lot of time by linking to blogs, webinars, video tutorials, tools, automated funnels, etc. that they have already been developed by Shopify for your audience. You guys can click on this apply button and fill out your information to join the affiliate program with Shopify. Now we'll look into the Shopify's pricing page just so that you guys can get an idea. And they also offer a free 14-day trial that is no credit card required. So it is very easy to get people to start try Shopify right away. They also have Shopify Plus and Shopify Lite. Shopify Plus gives enterprise-grade solutions for high-volume merchants and large businesses. The Shopify Plus is for big enterprises and big companies that need a specific set of features and need to be able to manage the complexity of operating such a big site. Okay, you can see right here that the pricing starts at $2,000 for the customers. Okay, so it's quite expensive, but it's for big brands. And however, if you have those clients available, then the affiliate program is a really good option. Shopify Lite is for small businesses and is only $9 per month. Another cool thing about the Shopify affiliate program is that they have all these localized pages. Okay, they have a specific localized page for India, and for other countries also they have their localized pages. You can make utilize of these links while doing their affiliate program. They pay out twice a month, okay? As long as you have $25 balance, and they'll pay you via PayPal. Okay, so this affiliate program is really good, and there are a lot of big YouTubers who are earning thousands of dollars a month from this affiliate program. So it has definitely been proven to be a big success for some affiliates. Okay, to learn more about different ways of promoting and to learn more about these kinds of activities like different affiliate program, you can join our internship program, and we are here to guide you. To get more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.